The Alert Auto-Remediation in Augmentt allows you to auto-remediate a handful of your Microsoft 365 alerts. You can also set your office hours of operation in Augmentt, so you can still manually address these issues during normal business hours and have Augmentt take care of remediation when you are off. To set up the auto-remediation, navigate to Secure and then Alerts. Once in Alerts, click on the Safe Locations button in the top right corner. Alert remediation can be set globally or per tenant. We will focus on global settings in this training. Once you toggle the switch to enable auto remediation, you can then select which alerts you want to be remediated, what remediation actions you want Augmentt to take, and set your office hours. Now, when you receive a Microsoft 365 alert about a compromised account at 2 a.m., you have the peace of mind knowing that Augmentt will take care of it for you.
That's my minute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.